Our current relationship with the coastal environment involves defining rigid limits, solid barriers to protect us from natural forces. However, this is not enough, as nature is constantly changing in a less predictable manner than ever. Moreover, fast progress in technology has isolated us from our habitat, and in the process we have lost our natural adaptation to those changes. Can architecture be the tool to reestablish the lost connection? To answer this question, we created a system for specific interests that are analyzed through three databases. Understand the context, Database 1. Collect the existing materials and introduce compatible ones, obtaining all the ingredients we are going to work with. Studying local culture and how community inhabits space, Database 2. Compile traditional building techniques and testing high-tech retrofeeds low-tech. Acknowledge nature, Database 3. Setting up the layers as natural agents or conditions to adapt to. While this system is universal, by changing inputs it can be applied anywhere, with these specific inputs and combinations it leads to just one location, MacArthur's Wharf. The context layers are all embedded in the foreplan that will be the testing field of all strategies we obtain from the databases. The strategy document is composed by layers, nature inputs, conditions, constraints. Action verbs, based on already existing initiatives. Strategic spots, seeds, obtained from the superposition of layers to locate where the action takes place. Network, relates all processes and finds possible growth. Zooming in one of the pixels of the plan, we can define the concept of species, the architectonic device that spatializes existing regeneration initiatives of Guimaras and is formalized from the context. It is the natural and social forces which shape the entity. Resynthesize, environmental data collection agency. Learn, a multidisciplinary set of platforms. Upcycle, logistics center for distribution and material handling. Shelter, branch structure of vertical growth. Produce, artificial islands that regenerate the ecosystem. Regenerate, seabed regeneration and coastal restoration. The species are not isolated objects, but are related in one ecosystem and connected through processes. The output of one species can be the input of other, and it's possible to create hybrids and evolutions that together form genealogies. By regular observation and collection of the data, changes are being made and systems updated. During the years, creation of new habitat was made possible.